Hello everyone, good morning dear children. In the previous class we solved 5 problems on this main and remaining 5 today I am going to give the answer for this question. See, convert the following timings to 12-hour clock timing. Also write in AM or PM. Whatever the given time is there, whether it is AM, you should write AM, that is anti-meridian, and PM, that is post-meridian. In the previous class, you all know about the time from midnight 12 to midday 12, that is AM, anti-meridian. The time between midday 12 to midnight 12, that is PM, post meridian. Now we will see one by one. Here the given time is less than 12, so that is AM. Already I told about this one. If the given time is more than 12, we should subtract the time with the 12 and whatever answer comes that one we should write PM, post meridian. Here they given 11 hours 55 minutes, means this one is less than 12. That's why we written 11:55 AM, anti-meridian, because the time in between, that is midnight 12 to midday 12. Okay, the next one is 7th one, 2 hour 15 minutes. 2 hour 15 minutes. This one is also less than 12. 2 hour 15 minutes. They are already given, that is 2 hour 15 minutes, and also I told if the given time is less than 12, that is AM, means 2 hour 15 minutes AM. 2 hour 15 minutes, that is AM, anti-meridian. The 8th one, 15 hour 37 minutes. 15 hour 37 minutes. The given time is more than 12. That time what we will do? We will subtract that one with the number of 12. So 15 hour 37 minutes minus 12 hour minus 12 hour. 7 minus 0 is 7 only, and 3 minus 0 is 3 only. 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2, 1, 2. Answer is 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. So the given answer, that is, you should write it as PM, post meridian. If the given time is more than 12, that is we consider as midday 12. After midday 12, that one is PM, post meridian. The next one is 21 hour 40 minutes. The given time is more than 12. So 21 hour 40 minutes. So we should subtract this one with the 12. 0 minus 0 is 0 only. 4 minus 0 is 4. 1 minus 2 not possible. So we should take one carry. 1 becomes 11. 1 becomes what? 11. 11 minus 2, that is 9. 2 minus 1, that is 1. 1 minus carry is also should minus, that is 1 minus 1 is 0. 9 hour 40 minutes, that is PM. 9 hour 40 minutes, that is PM, post meridian. The 10th one is 16 hour 45 minutes. The given time is also more than 12. That's why we should subtract the given time with 12. 16 hour 45 minutes minus 12. 4 minus 0 is 4. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. 1, 2. Answer is 4. The 1 minus 1 is 0 and this one is PM, that is post meridian. Dear students, you should remember very important point. If the given time is more than 12, that time you should subtract the time with 12. Whatever you get the answer, that is PM, post meridian. If the given time is below 12, means less than 12, you should write it as anti-meridian or AM. So this is right in your classwork book after watching this video. See, again I am explaining this one. Listen carefully. Convert the following timings to 12-hour clock timing and also write AM and PM. The given timing is 11 hours 55 minutes. So this is less than 12. So 11 hours 55 minutes, that is AM. 2 hours 15 minutes, that is AM. Because this is less than 12, that is anti-meridian. So the 8th one, what they given, 15 hour 37 minutes. It means that is more than 12. That's why we subtract that one with 12. 7 minus 0 is 7. 3 minus 0 is 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. Whatever answer comes, that one is PM, post meridian. And the ninth one, 21 hour 14 minutes. So here the given time is more than 12. That's why we subtract the with 12. 0 minus 0 is 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. 1 minus 2 not possible. So 11, you should take one carry. 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. 2 minus 1 is 1. You should subtract minus 1 with carry also. That is 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. That is 9 hour 40 minutes. 9:40 PM, post meridian. And the 10th one is 16 hour 45 minutes. The given time is more than 12. So 16:45. 5 minus 0 is 5. 4 minus 0 is 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is 4 hour 45 minutes PM, post meridian. Up to here you should write in your classwork book. These are the very important points you should remember. That's why I written more that one. You should write in the new page in your classwork book. You should write this one by leaving one line. Okay. See, listen here. 60 seconds. 60 seconds means how many minutes? 1 minute. 60 seconds means 1 minute. You should write like this one. 1 minute, short form of 1 minute. 60 seconds. If the second hand covers one circle, completes one circle, that is 1 minute. So it takes 60 seconds to complete one circle, the second hand. That one is 1 minute. The second one is 60 minutes. Like this, the big hand, that is minute hand. What? Minute hand. If the minute hand covers complete one circle in the clock, that is 1 hour. 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. 60 minutes equal to how much? 1 hour. And also we should write 1 HR. This is 1 hour. And the third point, 24 hours means if 24 hours completes means one day completed. So that one 24 hours equal to one day. 24 hours equal to one day. 7 days. So here 24 hours means one day. Like that 7 days. That one is 1 week. 7 days means 1 week. Name of the days in a week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, Saturday. Total how many days are there? 7. 30 or 31 days. Like this, 30 or 31 days means 1 month. 1 month. Excluding February. Excluding what? February. Because in the month of February, sometimes 28 days or sometimes 29. So every once in a 4 year, the February month contains 29 days. That year we call it as leap year. What is that? Leap year. And the next one is 12 months. 12 months means 1 year. 12 months means 1 year. And 365 days. 365 days, 1 means 1 year. 365 days equal to 1 year. If February month contains 28 days, the number of days in a year 365. If the February month contains 29 days, means the total number of the days in a year is 366. So these are the very important point you should remember. This is a very important point. See, 60 seconds, you should buy this all. 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. That is 1 minute. 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. 24 hours equal to 1 day. 24 hours equal to 1 day. 7 days means 1 week. 7 days means 1 week. 30 or 31 days, 1 month. That is 1 month. Excluding February, because February, in the month of February, sometimes 28, sometimes 29. 12 months means 1 year. 12 months means 1 year. 365 days, 1 year. 365 days means 1 year. Write this all in your classwork book. In the month of February, if 29 days are there, it means that year we call it as leap year. What is that? Leap year. In the month of February, 29 days. It comes once in every 4 years. Once in 4 years. It comes once in 4 years. That is February month contains 29 days. That year we call it as leap year. In that 366 days, that year contains total 366 days. See here, 365 days means 1 year, but the leap year contains 365 days. So now after this one we will see some example on the basis of this one we will see. See here, some examples are there on the basis of time. While adding the time, you should add hour to hour, minute to 2 hour 20 minutes. 2 hour 20 minutes. You should add this one with 3 hour 30 minutes. 3 hours. You should add these two. Already I told while adding the time, you should add hour to hour, minute to minute. If they given second, seconds to second. See, 0 plus 0, that is 0. 2 plus 3, 5. Means 15 minutes. What is that? 15 minutes. So here, 2 plus 3, 2, 3. After 2, 3, 4, 5. That answer is 5 hour. What is that? 5 hour. Here they given add 2 hour 20 minutes to 3 hour 30 minutes. You should add these two. 2 hour 20 minutes. 3 hour 30 minutes. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. So this is 5 hour 50 minutes. This is the answer for this question. The second example, example 2. Add 3 hour 15 minutes 30 seconds. 2 hour 15 minutes 50 seconds. Already I told while adding the time hour to hour, minute to minute, second to second. Means see here. We should add second 30 second with 50 second because already we know 60 second equal to 1 minute. If we get more than 60 minutes, that one we consider as 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute and remaining seconds whatever is there we should write that. So minute to minute, already we know 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. That's why we should add minute to minute. Later hour to hour. First we will see the seconds. See here. This is 30 second is there. That one is 50 second is there. 30 second plus 50 second means 30 second plus 50 second, that is 80 seconds. So 80 second means we should subtract it with 60. 80 second minus 60 second, that is 1 minute. 1 minute 20 second. 1 minute 20 second. 80 second means 1 minute 20 second. Okay. So 80 minus 60, what we will get? Only 20 second. See here, 20 second. But 1 minute you should consider. Okay. 1 minute is also there for that. So we add that 1 minute to the 15 minutes. Here 15 minutes is there. 15 minute. See, already here 1 minute left with us. Okay. So 15 minutes plus 15 minutes. Here 15 minutes is given. Here 15 minutes. Should add this minute to here. That is 60 minutes. 60 minutes. So 50 plus 60. That is 66 minutes. How much? 66 minutes. So we already know 60 minutes means 1 hour. So here 6 minutes plus 1 hour extra. We should add that 1 hour to this. That is 3 hours is there. We should write 4 hours. 3 hours plus 2 hours. 3 hours plus 2 hours. That is 5 plus 1, 6 hours. The answer is 6 hours, 6 minutes, 20 seconds. How much? 6 hours, 6 hours, 1 minute, 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Therefore, answer is 6 hours, 6 minutes hour. So this is answer for this question. These are some examples given in your textbook. See, problem on time involving addition. Example 1. Add 2 hour 20 minutes to 3 hour 30 minutes. 2 hour 20 minutes. 3 hour 30 minutes. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 3, 5. Means 50 minutes. 2 plus 3, 5. So 5 hour 50 minutes. Example 2. Add 3 hour 50 minutes 30 seconds to 2 hour 15 minutes 50 seconds. See first, now I am adding only seconds. Okay. 30 second plus 50 second means 80 second. But already we know 1 minute equal to 60 second. So you should subtract what we get 20 second. 1 minute 20 second. 80 second means 1 minute 20 second. So now the 1 minute I am adding here. This one I am added for this 50 minute plus 16 minute, that is 60, 50 plus 16, 66 minute. But already we know 60 minutes means 1 hour. So 6 minutes left from this, 6 minutes 1 hour. Means total these two 66 minutes means 1 hour 6 minutes. So 3 hours is there here. And there is 2 hours. 2 hours we should add this hour here. That is 3 hours. Means 3 plus 3, 6 hours. Here 2 is there. Here 2 is there. I added this 1 hour to this 2 hours. This one is I written as it is 3 hours, 3 hours. Here 2 hours is there. But already here 1 hour is there. No, that one I taken here 3 hours. 3 hours plus 3 hours, that is 6 hours. The answer is 6 hours 6 minutes 20 seconds. This is the answer for this question. This is example 3rd. Add 3 years, 8 months and 2 years and 7 months. See here. First we will add months. That is 8 months plus 7 months. 8 months plus 7 months. Total how much? 8 plus 7, that is 15 months. 15 months. But already we know 12 months equal to 1 year. For this, now I am subtracting 12 months. 12 months means how many months remains? 15 minus 12, that is 3. How many months remains? 3 months. Means 15 months means 1 year. 1 year 3 months. 1 year 3 months. Now we will add that one. 3 years and 8 months. 3 years 8 months plus 2 years 7. 2 years 7 months. We should add these 2. Should add these 2. While adding this one, month to month, year to year. So 8 plus 7, already we did 15 months. That is remains only how many months? 3 months. But we should add 1 year to this year column. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6 years. This 1 comes from the months. So that's why this one is 6 year and 3 months. This is the answer for this question. See, add 3 years 8 months to 2 years 7 months. First we should add month plus month. Later year. So 8 months plus 7 months, that is 15 months. 15 months minus 12 months, that is 3 months. So 1 year 15 months means 1 year 3 months. So 3 year plus 8 months, 2 year plus 7 months. 8 plus 7 means 15 months. 1 year we should write here. So this is remains only 3 months. 2 plus 3, 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1 extra year, that is 6 years. The answer is 6 years, 3 months. Dear students, the next one is exercises day. We will see in the next class. Up to here, you should practice in your rough book